I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube issue where you have a white screen and no audio. I'll try to be as descriptive as possible if you are using the PC that is actually struggling from this issue, but if not, I would recommend using a mobile phone to visually follow along. With that said, open up your browser. I'm actually using Brave, but this should work well for Chrome, Firefox, etc., etc. In the top right, hit the three lines. Scroll all the way down until you see settings. From here on the very left at the bottom, you want to click system. And what you want to disable is use graphics acceleration when available. Just to turn that off. Go back to YouTube and give that a quick check to see if that has worked. If you still have a problem, open up the search bar at the very bottom and type HDR and then click on HDR settings. If you have more than one display, make sure that you've selected the correct display at the top, and then I want you to disable any HDR settings that are turned on. And 9 times out of 10, this will fix the issue if the first step didn't fix your problem already. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.